Greetings, Bowtie Guy 85 here. We are continuing our look into shoe trees. So in the last video we discussed kind of their origins and their functionality, where they are today. So now I'm going to do a little more of a live demonstration on how they work exactly. So I've got my gray Oxfords here. This is probably one of my most favorite pair of shoes because they're so versatile. And as you can see, they are well worn. They've got a little bit of a dip, a little bit of some wrinklage going on. So we're going to insert our shoe trees. So we start, and you want to make sure you have the right ones because they come in pairs, but they are also designed to fit into the arch of the shoe. So you do need the shoe tree that corresponds with the certain shoe. So basically, and like I mentioned in the last video, this kind of pivots. So you want to come in here at an angle and slide that in, and then push it all the way. Make sure you get it all the way up to the as far into the heel as you can get it. And then this end pushes in and then slides and kind of holds the heel in place. And then when you go to take it out, of course, you've got that little string there. And I like to make sure that it's nice and sturdy in there, and you can kind of feel it. And as you can see, it's already kind of stretching up that shoe. And then we'll do the other shoe as well. And again, that just slides right in. And push that down into the heel. And again, I just push to make sure it's in there good and tight. And again, you can feel that it's where you need it. And yeah, you can see it's already kind of straightening up that shoe. That's going to help alleviate our shoes, give them a little lift, get rid of some of that wrinklage. You're not going to completely get rid of it out of a pair of shoes that are well worn, but it's definitely going to help. And here is a pair that has already had the shoe tree in it for quite a while. I put these in and left them in overnight, several hours. You're not going to notice a difference like in this right away. They have to sit in here for a while, so I just want to take these out. And how you take them out, if you have the little knob here, or this one has a string, and you just kind of pull up on it. And I want to be gentle, so I'm not like completely taking the shoe apart, and then you'll feel where it just kind of pops out, and then that end just slides out. And as you can see, much better. Now we still have a little kind of like wrinklage in here, but night and day compared to the ones I just put in. I will take this one out as well. I just want you to see how this works. You just kind of pull down on it. It slides right out. And they are almost good as new and ready to wear once again. So I hope that has been an informative foray into the shoe tree for you guys. I thank you again, as always, for joining me. Like and subscribe. Hit me up in the comment section. And until next time.